Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Universal Sujit. Today in this video I am going to share with you yoga and its benefits. So let's start. First of all, what is yoga? Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual practice that originated in ancient India. Now I want to share with you top 10 benefits of yoga. First of all, yoga improves mental health and overall well-being. It improves quality and quantity of sleep. It increases daily energy levels. Yoga increases flexibility and builds strength. Yoga controls blood pressure. Yoga encourages participants to eat better by making them more mindful and appreciative of what their bodies can do. Yoga improves immunity power. It enhances respiratory function and alleviates chronic pain. Yoga reduces stress, anxiety, depression, and it improves concentration. And last of all, yoga improves mental clarity and fosters spiritual growth and connection. So friends, let us be attached with yoga and make our life healthy and peaceful.